Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars, we have their 2008 Porsche 911 Carrera S. Obviously, this is a Cabriolet, and it has the 6-speed manual. 3.8 liter flat 6. Obviously, this is the 997.1. And these are really starting to appreciate in value, especially the 997.2 turbo manuals, because everybody realized it was the last manual turbo. And you'll find too, if you're looking for a manual 911, there's some that exist for 991. Fewer exist in 992, but they're starting to become a little bit more popular. And the fact that 992s are newer, it's easier to find. 997s are the majority of them are manuals. So if you need a 911 quickly and you want to be able to just easily find one, a manual 911, 997 is really the easiest way to go. There's a lot of them out there for a very good price, and I don't think that's going to be the case for much longer. Being a Carrera S, not a 4S, this is rear-wheel drive. And while those people that own, let's say, 964s and 993s and older 911s, they're going to say this is not analog. But I think a lot of people are going to realize that the 997 was kind of the end of the analog 911s. 991 started to move towards luxury and grand touring. And having driven a bunch of different 911s from all different generations, I kind of have to say the 997 is the last of the analog feeling 911s. I mean, you really want analog, you go 996, but then you start to sacrifice in terms of features. The 997 is just an absolutely perfect middle ground. Whereas if you want more luxury and modern features, you go 991, and you really want to be the sign of the times, you go 992. And that's not to say that all generations of 911 are not fun to drive cars. I've never driven a bad 911. It's just kind of the feel of it. Like, I feel like I'm a crucial part to this car. And in reality, I am, because it's a manual. This car won't be able to change gears itself. But even with modern day manuals, you have rev matching, stuff like that, where it really makes it easy to drive. Anybody can step into a 911 and make it go quickly. I wouldn't say make it go fast, make it be quick. Whereas with the 997, you can tell that you have to be a really good driver to get the most out of this car. That's just my luck. this talk about being analog, stuff like that. It's not to say this is a bad driving car. I'm extremely comfortable right now. Be even more comfortable if people weren't doing oh, what a good sound. That 3.8 liter, man, it is such a good motor. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.